Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the chart. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor, this is just for fun. Now let's look at Bitcoin. We are starting with Bitcoin, and as you can see, and as I predicted, we were in a bullish wedge, and I said sooner or later we will break out to the upside, because it was a bullish pattern, a bullish wedge. Here you can see that this is the wedge here, and this is a bullish pattern. If I only look at this wedge, I would say we would go up to at least this level here, 57,800 level. However, as I already shared with you, we also have a head and shoulder pattern. So these are conflicting patterns. The head and shoulder pattern send this market to the downside. So I will only be comfortable when Bitcoin goes over 42,800 and stays there. So we need to break above the 50-day EMA, have a daily body close above there and stay there. Until then, it might happen that we only come up, touch the 50-day EMA and boom, continue this downtrend. Because if I look at this head and shoulder pattern, the target price is actually below $20,000 level. So we will probably get to the 50-day EMA. We are above the 20-day EMA for Bitcoin, and there we need to be very careful. We might just pull back, have a pullback to the 20-day EMA, and then we will see if we close below the 20-day EMA again, then this market is going to go down. Because, and there are other reasons for that, right now we are still bearish, even though we broke to the upside. Why? Because we have, as you can see, lower lows, and we have a high, and it's still a lower high. So we need to develop a higher high in order for us to say that we might turn bullish. We need higher highs and higher lows. This may be, you can say that this may be a higher low here, but we also need higher highs. So I'm still waiting to see if we can turn bullish. If we get above 42,800, then my first price target is right here at this level, 50,000, and the second price target is right what I shared with you, above $55,000 level. So that's Bitcoin. Let's go over to Ethereum, and of course all the other crypto is very much dependent on Bitcoin. So first we need to see what happens to Bitcoin, and the others will act accordingly. Ethereum is, I believe, on its way to the 50-day EMA at around 3170 or so. And for Ethereum, we broke above the 20-day EMA. That's a very good sign. That's the first sign of hope. And we also need to develop higher highs. So until we get above 34,000 levels, I wouldn't say that we turned bullish. But right now, we might go to the 50-day EMA, because we are above the 20-day EMA. Okay, let's go over to Cardano. And let's see what's happening there. So going over to Cardano, here we are. And that's the daily chart on Cardano. Cardano has been in a bullish wedge as well for quite some time. Trying to break out to the upside. It was a forced breakout. Why? Because Bitcoin didn't break out. So, and now we are breaking out again. So let's see if this is a valid breakout. We are above the 20-day EMA, which is telling me that we are on our way to the 50-day EMA. And technically speaking, this breakout to the upside could cause Cardano to get to $3 level. So yeah, let's see if what happens to Bitcoin, and then we can see that Cardano is also on its way to the highs. Let's have a quick look at Litecoin. So this is the daily chart on Litecoin. And Litecoin is above the 20-day EMA, which is telling me that we might be on our way to the 50-day EMA. 130, 130, 133. We are probably on our way to 130 with Litecoin, and of course, shall we break above there? The next target is here, 150, above there, 1